Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate dual axis chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. To create dual chart, we require two measures and one dimension. So I'll pick up sales from here and drag it into the rows. I'll pick up another measure and drop it here. I'll pick up the order date from here and drop it into the columns. Now I'll activate the entire view. I can convert this into the bar chart. So you can see two different charts are there. The bar charts are there, sales and profit. Now to overlap each other, or in other words, to plot in one chart, we will change this. We'll activate from here and make this dual axis. So now sales and profit both are in one chart. The scale for sales is here and the scales for profit is here. By pressing the plus sign here, I can get the graph according to the quarters. Again, by pressing this plus sign, I can get it according to the month. So let us keep it by year only. Now the first method to generate the dual chart is, these are the marks for sales and this is for profit. So I want to change for profit. I want to make a profit line. I want to convert this bar chart of profit into the line chart. So I'll activate the marks of profit and make it line chart. And you can see the line chart is ready. So in one chart, we are having sales and this is the profit and its trend line. This is the first method in which we can create the dual chart. Another method. Let us restore the results. We'll go here, right click and make the mark type whichever you want. If you want to make profit line, click here and mark type line. And if you want to make sales line, click here, right click, mark type line. So both the options are available. So instead of sales being represented as line, let us keep profit only as a line chart. So this can be done from here also. I'll make this as bar and this as line chart. Now, can I get dual chart according to the segment or not? So I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it here. So now I am having the dual chart according to the segments also, consumer, corporate and home office. And we can see the trend line also. Now if I want to include one more dimension, I'll pick up the category from here and drop it into the color. So now your bar will be bifurcated into three states: red color, orange color, and blue color. So this is a way you can generate dual axis chart in Tableau. For more videos in Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please press the like button and refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau.